Hey poopers, welcome back. We're outdoors. On the outdoor set, I got that marinated London broil, okay? I simply put Worcestershire cannabis oil, salt, pepper, and things like that. I'm outdoors, my dogs aren't barking, the neighbors is. I'm gonna charge them if I have to redo this demo. Anyway, yeah, it's London broil, very tender, USDA prime, 21-day aged, and it was on sale. Look for the sales, man, you know? No, there's my blade, my hunting knife, just in case that guy is so marinated, he jumps off the grill and he wants to get out of here. No, not letting him do that. So, got some marks on him. I'm making a steak sandwich, okay? That's what I'm doing. I did this recipe and it made the front page of the Chicago Sun-Times in 1994 on my Big Green Egg. Ed Fisher, who owned Big Green Egg at the time, I don't know if he does anymore, if he's alive, sent me one to do a shoot on Culinary Adventures, and it turned out I got one on the Sun-Times too. And I'm cooking this exact steak, okay? So what I do is, I get marks on it, I get some fire on it, I get some smoke on it, I cook it rare, okay? Because it tastes better that way, or I'll get it to about me. I'll take it off when it's rare, it'll cook, you know, residual heat will make it medium rare, okay? Well done, man. Don't talk to me about well done meat, okay? And then I'm gonna slice it against the grain, and this is the grain here. I'm gonna slice it that way. It's easier to eat that way. Then I'm gonna douse it in more of that marinade because, like I've shown before, I had enough to bring it to a boil, okay? If you're gonna put raw meat into a marinade or anything like that, especially poultry, you better boil it first or dump it, okay? If you get sick, you didn't get it from me. I didn't tell you to do it that way. Maybe some poser did, who hasn't been doing this as long as I have, uses, you know, the word bro a lot. Not me. I'm for real. I got the proof. So, yeah, that's what we're doing here, man. I got, maybe 3 or 4 more minutes here. And of course, they say don't flip your steak. Don't just leave it there. Just don't flip yours. Don't do anything. Oh, please. The only thing I don't flip more than once is fish. And I use a fish basket as I've proven. So, yeah. And I can tell you right now, that's medium rare. I'm getting it off. It's gonna cook for another 5-6 minutes to where I want it. And then I'm gonna make a beautiful London broil steak sandwich. Okay, hang in there, poopers. We'll be right back. Well, we got our steak, our London broil that I'm making into a steak sandwich. Got a toasted bun or a roll, and on top of that, some mixed greens, which I really like. I'm gonna put this sauce on. Now see, the steak was already marinated, cannabis oil and a bunch of other stuff. But what I did was, I mixed up some Worcestershire, a little bit of soy, a little bit of sugar, and some horseradish. And there's cannabis oil, that same that I marinated it in. So I'm just putting this down quite generously because I got a lot of beef to put on this sandwich. It's nothing better than a steak sandwich. And if you're using London broil, it's even better. Tender, medium rare. That's exactly how you want it. Took it off exactly when you should. And you want some blood in there, okay? Blood is flavor. That's for sure. Blood is flavor. So I'm assembling it any old which way. because I'm not going to eat it here in front of you, but I am going to eat it. Don't worry, my doggies aren't getting any of this. They're champions. They're pedigrees. They don't eat people food. I just joke about that. Anyway, that's about it, man. Simple. You know, I showed you how simple it is. Go out and buy a London broil. They're available everywhere. In fact, go to our e-cookbook. You could go to the comments section. This recipe's in there as well. So now it's warm outside. We're cooking most everything in the cookbook, and you guys can cook along. Kind of like a sing-along. Sing, sing, sing. Anyway, go and grab your free e-cookbook. My dogs love having you here. And if you're waiting on us, you're loafing, poopers. We'll see you next time here on #StreetPoop. Hang loose!